guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call.
Hi guys, how you doing? Sorry, I'm breathing so fast. Whew, I'm going to a museum today. They call it the Royal Ontario Museum. I'm late already, so I'm supposed to be there by 5:30. It's already 5:30. And what happened to me today? So I wanted to wear this boot. The boot has heels. As I stepped out of my apartment onto the stairs, I don't know that I was sliding. I was like, what? No. And it had heels. I feel like it should take a while for me to get back to wearing heels now, because I've been on flat for the past 9 months. I took it off. Nobody told me. I just went back to my room and brought out my boots. Let me show you the boot I'm wearing. This is the boot I'm currently wearing. Just went back and changed it straight up. The only thing I like about going out in this place is if I'm taking the subway. If I'm not taking the subway, I have to think of my life. But I'm happy because I'm taking the subway than the TTC. I hate taking that TTC. Just waste your time a lot.
Where it began, I can't begin to know when. Then I know it's growing strong.
It's a very thoughts, right?
Gracias. Yeah.
Merci.
Oh yeah, welcome. Yeah.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
You're warm. And the longer pieces help to kind of brush away snow. Or, yeah, I think this is a real fox fur. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah, fur is a really good adaptation for animals. I think we should leave it on them. But this is very old. The specimens we have at the ROM, some of them are 100 years old, some of them less than that. So we try to take care of them. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for coming today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes, lots more to see inside.
Yeah, thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So this is a birch tree.
Okay.
And that is, so its covering would be the outer white covering. But so natives use this part of the birch tree to make a canoe because it's much stronger than the white. The white peels off, it's much softer. So canoes are actually made of the inner part of the birch tree.
Oh, it's really strong.
Yeah, it's much stronger.
What's this?
So that is walrus. That is actually a walrus skin.
Why is it so thick?
That's actual. That's how thick it is.
Wow.
Oh.
I didn't think it was going to... This was a Bible at first.
Oh,
Like an old Bible.
yeah. It's actually the walrus skin, and that's how thick it is.
Wow. I know they can survive.
Yeah, they can survive. But you can imagine how heavy they are.
Yeah.
Because their skin is so thick and heavy, and they've been on the blubber.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you remember under the tree? Under the tree. Hi guys, I'm so tired and hungry. I'm back home and I'm trying to take off my wig. Circle is not working. I don't have spirit left. So I think the museum was really, really nice. Like it's a nice place to go. And there are about like 5 floors. But the issue, you can't even finish going through the museum. You can't go through everything in a day. So you have to like come back. I think we got to the top floor, I get to my floors. Even at the second floor, I was getting tired. I was like, let's be going on. I'm already tired. But we got to the third floor and then I was like, and then the security person was like, oh, it's time to don't to lock up. Yeah. It's time for them to close. So I want to go. I mean I'm going to go back again, but I'm going just out from the third floor since I've seen what's on the first floor and on the second floor. And so I forgot I need to see something. I can't remember. Probably in the next video I make, I'll talk about that.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance?
I'll be more patient, I promise. No. Well, then you shall never read and never advance to be very stupid forever.
Go away.
No.
Go away.
No.
Just go away.
No.
Go away.
No.
Immediately I got back yesterday, I just went to bed, so I couldn't even vlog or say anything about my space. I went straight to bed, and my room was scattered, so I had to like arrange my room. I only have time now. Yesterday, something annoying. No, that movie I watched, I watched. Is it We Doing Heights? Margot Robbie and this guy. Not this guy in this movie. I can't remember the movie, but Margot Robbie is there with one other man. I'll probably look for the name and put it on the screen. So she did something that really annoyed me in that movie. She and the guy were childhood friends and then turned childhood love. So she was in love with the guy was in love with her. But for one reason or the other, they didn't end up together. Then he left and came back, became a rich man. Then she was already pregnant for her husband now. Because the guy decided to now marry another person just to like spite her. Because she said they couldn't continue what they're doing. And apparently she was having an affair. She was having extramarital affairs. She was pregnant so for her husband. And it was just because of that, because the guy now married another person, she was not doing somehow. She lost the baby. Then she died. She had sepsis. I was just so annoying. I was like, are you mad? Like, you now kid yourself because of man. Like, make it make sense. Worst thing, have the baby, give the baby to the man, and leave and go and be with the person you want to be with. Simple. Which one is that you're not kill yourself because of man? I was so pissed after watching that movie yesterday. Excuse me. I was so pissed. Like, let me tell you, even the party I went to, it's called Aphrodisiac. They have like events, probably every week. I wore a long trousers because I always get cold. Like because I'm even out, I went out yesterday. My voice saves the showing. I always get when I go out, I catch a cold. See what these guys were wearing, like short things. I mean, I understand if you're wearing this kind of things during summer, but during winter, I cannot try it. I can't. I can just look and I just get yesterday like, are you guys for real? Because like I wore trousers, I wore like Tema wear, yeah. Wore my trousers, wore my boots, wore my socks, and I still get cold. But it was fun though. Like I wouldn't whenever I go to the pub or I go to parties, like I'm always looking at those white people, the way they dance, like they're always off with they're always so fun. They were like, I like that they're always happy to be there. Like they always dance off rhythm. Like if the beat is going dun dun do be dun 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 dun. I was like, you guys are always off rhythm. But this guy said I was watching him. It was so funny. I think he's Chinese or so. It was just so happy to be there. So it was even maybe I was just laughing. Anyways, I think that's it. The party was fun. The acting was great. I need to cook now. I'm quite hungry and I want to cook beans. Even though I need to take more protein and beans is not like high protein like that, but that's what I feel like eating. I want to eat beans, porridge beans and gari with cold water, and I cannot drink cold water. And there should be sugar, then there should be milk. You get that's what I feel like eating right now.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. It's only in Canada that you will see sun, but it's not touch. To be into your eyes, but you'll not feel it. To still be cold. Anyways, how are you guys doing? City was fire. It's remove. I'm going for a Christmas carol, and I'm late again. But anyways, today was a different one. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, not feeling too well. But we move. Merry Christmas in advance to you all, and have a wonderful 2026.
Is relatable to what I'm going here, Jonah.
See, guys, an everyday solution.
It is. Because when you think about it then, no matter the economical stress or the political tension or even the long winter here in Canada, guess what? The king has been here. And that's the what? That's the solution! See now, I need food solution.
Oh, yeah.
Because that guy is trying to
As long as you guys are helping.